Yo, hey Man. Today I'm gonna be playing Wind Up Night. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna read any of the instructions, because if you see where this circle is on your screen, I am this here. So yeah. Alright, let's play. Let's get into this. This should be good. Let me know if you want me to do any more games like this. So this game is pretty good so far. Alright, so it seems this game's... well, it's definitely a platformer game. Definitely a platform. I haven't played this game yet. With most of my games I play, I just download them and then I play them when I record, so you guys can see my reaction. Oh, those boats are actually moving. I didn't actually expect them to add something like that. So jump, 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 bang. Get the coins. I don't know if you can use the coins or not. Might be able to. I'm not sure. Maybe you can get different armor or something like that. I wouldn't know. Those boats again, they actually move, which actually kind of surprised me. But this isn't, you know, a big game, so you wouldn't really expect them to put this level of detail into a game. You'd expect, you know, just little boats just sat there on the water. Right, let's do it. Oh, sick! You can actually. So if you have a weapon out, you can fight them. That is actually pretty sick. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool feature. So you can fight chickens. Suppose that's normal. I'm not normal, am I? So it's fine. As long as I'm not normal, it doesn't matter what I'm playing, if it's normal or not. I'm Michael Myers, bitches. If you type H2O Venom up on Google Images, it will come up with Michael Myers. So I'm saying I'm Michael Myers. fucking like dragon tails. Look at the bastard. Alright, so I don't know how the levels work in this. I'm not sure if it's I'm not really sure, but I might start a let's play on this. I think this game is pretty good, you know. It's good enough to do a let's play. So yeah, I'm probably going to start a let's play. There's a boat again. I'm just concentrating on the background, I don't know why, I just keep going fucking quiet. Alright, dang. Dang. Okie dokie. I don't know if you can complete this game. I'll find out if you can complete it. If you can, I'll do a let's play. If you can't, then we won't be doing a let's play. And it will just be part of my trying out game series. Talking about my trying out game series, my friend Crazy Gamer 188. I'll leave a link in the description to his channel. He's pretty swaggy. He's now he's just got a what do you call it? He's got a trying out game series as well now. He's had it for like a day, I think. Yeah, we just, you know, like borrow each other's ideas. So like, I was gonna do a Clash of Clans let's play because he did one, but then I didn't have to end up doing it. But I did Five Nights at Freddy's. Like, I'm gonna start a Five Nights at Freddy's 2 let's play. Five Nights at Freddy's 3, that was just part of the trying out games. But you guys, if you want me to play that, then feel free to leave a comment below if you want to let's play that. Yeah, so basically I copied his, well, I didn't really copy it. I borrowed his idea for his Five Nights at Freddy's 2 let's play, and he's borrowed my idea for my trying out game series. So yeah. Alright, alright, we're gonna do this. This is gonna be the last level. I'm gonna cut these bastards up. Oh shit. I promise y'all I'll be able to do this in a minute, and this video will finish at 10 minutes on the dot, okay? Not 10 minutes 1 second, 10 minutes 0 seconds. If I don't do that, I want a dislike from all y'all. Unless you like the video, then you can like it. I don't really give a fuck. Do whatever you want. Punish me in the comments. You know, something. I need punishment if I don't manage to do it in 10 minutes on the dot. Or if I do it even quicker, that's even better. Oh, shit. Punishment time. Punish me. Punish me. I went onto the screen so I could tell you guys to punish me. Hey, Joe, I'm out. Peace. Yo. Alright, so. It worked. Did it? Did it work? Yes, it did. Okay. I did it. I made you guys think that I was going to go and then you exited the video. Anyway, right, so. Yeah. Now it's going to be H double M out. Peace for real.